All right, guys. I've got yeast bread down, but I'm fixing to try to make a sourdough starter. And I've watched this lady for a while now. We'll see. I'm gonna do 1 and 1. So like 1 part of bread flour or all-purpose, whichever one you're planning on using to make your breads. And then it said filtered water. I didn't have filtered water. I have purified. I don't know if that's the same. So if nothing else, I'll throw it out. But I'm gonna try to make a starter. All right, so I don't have any bread flour, so I know that I always have all-purpose. So that's what made me make my decision. If I decide to change it later on, they say you can start incorporating the opposite flour of what you've been using a little bit at a time, not to do a drastic change. So I'm using what I have, and I'm gonna do equal parts. I'm gonna do, and I may have an entirely too big. I have either a really, I have like a little bitty small mason jar with a lid because I didn't plan very good. Or I have this thing that used to be my sugar container. So I'm moving my sugar container and it has a lid. So we'll see. It may be way too big for what I need. And I may be cleaning it out in a couple of days. But if I can do it, y'all might want to start one with me. All right. She said get a stir it till it's like a thick pancake batter. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, other than a straw, I had 1 chopstick, the matching, I have it too, but I felt like this would work. I didn't think about it being so big that it may be hard to stir. Yeah, I probably should have started with a smaller one. I thought it was quite big. But I kind of want to try it because I plan on making a bunch of stuff whenever I get it going. I'm going to make all kinds of sourdough stuff. Probably should have got a spoon. She said if it tries to run out, it's too thin. Alright, so that's seems thick. I'm gonna get a spoon and just make sure I have no clumps of flour because she did say that. Oh wait. Let's see. Maybe that's thick pancake batter. Feel like it is. Just in case, I'll just sprinkle a little bit more flour. You got some more?
No, thank you.
All right, there's
I
plenty.
made a half a plate up. Thank you, thank you.
Show them your plate.
My plate.
She finished up her cream corn and her fish.
It was good.
Good. All right. There she is. If I'm successful with her, I will give her a name. But let's just see if I can keep her alive.